This video demonstrates how to install CS Plus for CC, for Renesas RL78 family. Go to CS Plus for CC download page. Log into my Renesas account. Click on Download Quick Links. And click on the latest version of CS Plus for CC offline installer. Select the option for document update notification. Click on the Accept and Download button. Extract the downloaded zip file, and double-click the installer. Click Read Me first, and check the contents. There are a few steps. Read the software license agreement and click Next. Installation is in progress. Check the Launch Update Manager. Click Finish. After that, Update Manager starts automatically. CS Plus for CC has the ability to update tools automatically, to keep using the latest. Check Options, change settings to set it for each category. Select the Smart Configurator for RL78, and click Detail. Proceed with the installation steps, similar to installing CS Plus for CC. The installation is completed. Smart Configurator is a useful tool that uses GUI to initialize settings for microcontroller. Please use it after creating a project. CS Plus for CC can be launched from Start menu. In the next video, we will show you how to create a project. Please continue watching.